Behind the line, behind the team.
Come on, switch on! Shoot! Oh, how did you miss that? How did you miss that? Wait! Ah! What are you doing? Pass! Pass! Are you serious? Get your head in the game. Come on, you're losing! Come on, want it! Got this, come on! Ref, what are you doing? Come on! Honestly, no teamwork! Tackle! Tackle! Oh, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
Switch on!
Shoot!
What was that? How many did you miss today? Cost a lot of money for you to do this. New boots, kit and all that. Not to mention the sacrifices we make for you to go waste time on the pitch. You and the whole team look like you don't care. No belief. What was your coach doing?
Good pass! Nice, good work. Come on, you got this. Come on, you got this.
Come on, come on, come on!
Oh,
Unlucky. Good try. Good try.
Keep that up.
Come on, you got this.
Head up, keep your head up.
Well done.
Amazing effort, honestly.
You got this. Come on.
Go on, my son.
Oh.
Guys, it's okay.
Unlucky kick.
It's okay.
Good effort.
Come on.
Good
We
goal.
can do it next time.
Come on. It's all right.
Yay!
Yes!
What a goal!
Oh.
Get in there!
Lovely finish.
Oh.
Unlucky.
Amazing. Well played. Good work, good work. Woo! Proud of you all. You did amazing. Lovely teamwork. Lovely.
Good game.
Amazing
Well played,
teamwork.
guys. Well
Amazing
played.
teamwork.
Well played.
Wow.
Good game, guys. It's okay. Tough game today, mate. But you did me proud. Great teamwork. Come on, let's go get an ice cream.
Support the players, no matter what. Behind the line, behind the team.